Hi there, this is the Amazon dashboard that I have built for you. Let me know if this would suit your need, and we can quickly go over this shortly. So I'll start with the data that you have given. I had to do a little bit of modification in there. So, for example, so this particular column was like having both information like the percentage and everything, so that was fixed. And many columns like this, almost all these are with a comma. I think you probably, because of your region, I think you're using comma, but I have used full stop. So when you paste the data, you need to make sure that all of these which are saved as numbers. I'm sorry, although they are numbers, they are saved as text. So in order for so you need to convert that before pasting the data. Now, these sections, I've used it for the macro to give you the actual results required. So that's the thing. And yeah, so we'll start with the metrics that we had, and we can go ahead. So I followed every single thing that you mentioned in terms of what is needed and all. So we and almost all the slices and everything that you want to go ahead and click on it, it automatically go ahead and update it here. One thing you need to note is when you have new data. As of now, it's all April. When you have new data, you will have all these things automatically getting populated. So these are the overall informations that gets populated, and then we have your best category versus account, and this is the best category too. And here we have the top 20, and I didn't want to actually give more than this because we like having a lot of information on this one, and that's pretty much why I had to give you this particular thing. And same here, top 20 for your ASN brands, family reviews alone. So reviews and accounts right here, and this one is your star ratings as to how these are working out with the family of things. And yeah, so that's pretty much where we are. But make sure you check the information that I have created before ordering, because once you order, I really can't afford cancellation. So please make sure you check and let me know if there are any anomalies. I understand that you may able to not proceed with the order, but that's fine. But if you're ordering, please don't cancel. It's too much of an impact for each of the sellers. All right. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.